So the first thing that you should do is go to google.com and go and type Telegram ads. You're going to find the official Telegram ads in here, and obviously you need to log in to start advertising. I'm going to blur my number so you don't hack me. Marketing Gladiator. I know you will not hack me, but some people can. So then it's going to send you a message to your Telegram account. So you just need to wait for the confirmation message. And well, sometimes send you a confirmation. If it doesn't send a confirmation, you go again, you do the same process, and you wait. I know why it's not going to work. Things that happens when you're recording live, guys. So then it's going to tell you the location, and you click in confirm. Now, as you can see, I'm logging into my Telegram ads account. I already have an organization, and I already have my personal account. So as you can see also, I have 15 tons. We are going to make another video where if you don't know how to change to ton, I will explain you the whole process. But right now, we are only going to focus on how to make the Telegram ads. Back in the time, it was €2 per 1 ton. Now it's less. I think right now it's €1. It's 0.92 tons, so around 1 to 1. Anyhow, once that you add money to your ton account, and then you send the money to the Telegram ads that we will do in another video, you got to create new ad. In here I was already experimenting a bit. So Telegram gives you different parts, right? You're going to go with add a title, add a text, the URL you want to promote, the image, the CPM in ton, the initial budget, and well, this is pretty straightforward. So what we're going to advertise? Well, I have a Telegram channel where people can go and but get the results of football in real time. So I want that the people that love football find my Telegram channel, and then they subscribe. So let's first add the title. I have some titles actually in here saved. So obviously, first of all, add a title, Football en Vivo, that it means like live football. Add a text. The text is in Spanish because it's for the Spanish audience. Minuto a minuto de los partidos más importantes, minute by minute of the most important matches. Goals or scores, key plays, and moments in real time. Because this is the offer that we have. Like basically, we have 1 minute delay, and you can get the results of what is going on the field. Also, it's very important that you create an image. As you can see, I already have some stock of images that I create. In here, this gives us an error, right? The error is like have to be in this ratio that is like 16:9. Googling, I found that you need to do it like 640 per 360 pixels. You can use some tool like this. You give here to download, boom. This is like Adobe Express. It's free, by the way, just to resize. So this is the resize image. Okay, it's not working. So let's go with this other image that I created before. Well, anyhow, we already have one, if I'm not mistaken. That we resize, yes. So we can see actually how the ad is going to start to look. Here is you can see I add the Telegram channel that is very simple, t.me/apostabroenvivo. In here we are going to, yeah, of course you need more spend. So we're going to spend around 11 cents of euro per every 1,000 impressions. We cannot spend less than that. And we are going to say we have 15 tons, so let's see how is the daily limit, $1 per day. And this is very important. So you are going to put a cap in how many times per day a user can see your ad. This is very important because in this sense you have something called, how it's called? It's called cap restriction. So basically you need to tell to Telegram how many times, how aggressive you want to be with the user. I will say it like, let's not be very aggressive. I will put even maximum 2 times per user per day. Also in here you can put like the status to active. Remember, you cannot change after you set up all of this, the daily limit. You will need to make another campaign. Also, good thing about Telegram, can give you a schedule. In this case, for me, it's not really relevant. Let's create the ad. Target specific channels. This is very important actually, guys. Like when you are going to do this Telegram advertisement, you have to understand that you need to choose Telegram public channels where you are going to be advertised. And then you ask, and how do I find that? Very simple. We go to this platform, it's telega.io. I register for free. Basically, it's an application or like a website where you can buy traffic from Telegram, but more directly from the groups, not from Telegram itself. But tells you the Telegram groups that are public. So as my bot of Telegram, my group of Telegram is in Spanish, I choose the Spanish language. I choose the vertical of sports, and I'm going to, for instance, advertising Telegram. I'm going to choose this one, Real Madrid one. Okay, so we go back here, and we have one in here. It's important that you like check specifically what kind of audience do you want, because for instance, Formula One, it's about football, so even if it's sports, they will not care. Then also we have this one with 5.3k followers. Also a good strategy that you can do is like to go actually and subscribe to the channel, so you can see more or less what kind of, okay, this is not public, interesting. Okay, this was not public, so you see, you need to actually like completely look for public Telegram channels. And let's say this one, hopefully it's public. Yes, it's public. Excellent. And this one, and let's say these 3 Telegram channels. So it's important that you also don't overuse Telegram channels, because like you have to understand that if you use too many, let's say you use 8 or 10 public Telegram channels, yes, your enrichment level is higher, but you don't know from where these users came from. So when you have 3 Telegram channels, then you make a new campaign, and let's say I just go with Bebe Sports TV to CH. And then I start to segregate channel by channel, right? Let's create the ad. Okay, it's telling me that I had to give at least 18 cents per CPM and create the ad. And basically that's it. Now that you create the Telegram ad, you can see that it was declined before. I can show you even. The other channel was a channel or experiment that I tried to make some time ago. This channel was for another channel that I have for sport news. Telegram doesn't really tell you why you are not being advertised. However, well, it was rejected because the destination, I guess, it had too little Telegram followers in that moment. I don't know. So, well, guys, this is the video that we have right now, because basically we need to wait till Telegram approve us. And then also important, you can see that Telegram will discount the budget already when you launch the campaign live. It's discount 1 ton. So like later on, if I want to add more money, I can. But remember, I cannot change the daily budget if I set it up. So guys, if you want to know what happened with this campaign, if we got rejected, we are going to make other campaigns of the camera. Later on, when we make the recap, we're going to show you what was the final result for the Telegram ads and the ratio of rejecting ads and approved ads. So then basically subscribe to Marketing Gladiators if you want to have more content like this, if you want to know how to make money online and how to do affiliate marketing with interesting methodologies. I'm your host, Chris, and I don't know, keep it strong. See you in the next video.